Hey girl, welcome back. I got a new wig here to share with you. This one from ISEE Hair over on Amazon. ISEE Hair does have their own website that you can shop from, but they also have a store over on Amazon. This wig came with just a few goodies: an extra elastic band, a set of mink lashes, and some HD wig caps. Now, this wig from ISEE Hair is a Yaki Straight V-Part Wig. I have it here in the shortest length, which is the 16-inch. This V-Part wig comes with a seamless part to make the install look way more realistic than the typical V-Part wig. There are lots of combs and clips in this wig to help it stay super secure. There are a total of 4 clips to help secure the wig around your part, and then there are 3 additional removable combs around the rest of the wig. This V-Part wig also has the C-shaped ear cutout tabs to give the wig a more comfortable fit around your ears. There's also an adjustable elastic band with a silicone gripping, which can be removed if needed. And the latest feature for this new V-Part wig is the adjustable cap. So this wig does feature an adjustable drawstring, so you can adjust this wig for any customizable size. And it also features a flexi fit cap, so it stretches and pretty much molds to your head. Now, this wig is very simple to install, so this will not be a long video. I opted for a side part for this installation, but you can definitely wear this wig with any type of parting you would like. For any V-Part wig, you simply want to section off your leave out and then braid the rest of your hair. And you can see the braid pattern that I used here in the video. I also wash, blow dried, and straightened my leave out to help it blend in with this Yaki Straight wig. And this wig is another example of why I absolutely love Yaki Straight wigs. Yaki Straight hair is the best texture to go with in wigs if you have textured hair. This is the closest texture to our natural hair. And as you can see, my hair blends right in. And the drawstring on this wig does give it a really snug and comfortable fit. It's also very easy to install, but more importantly, I love how well it blends in with my natural hair. But if you are not feeling the Yaki Straight, this wig does come in 2 other texture options. It comes in a kinky curly texture and a natural body wave. Now, all of these do come in the same lengths. You can get this wig in 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, or 26 inches. And all of them will come with the same upgraded V-Part cap construction with the elastic drawstring in the back. And this is a 100% human hair wig, so it can be dyed, curled, and straightened. This Yaki Straight unit that I have here did not tangle at all during the time period that I wore it. And I've actually found that to be true for most Yaki Straight wigs that I wear. They tend to tangle a lot less than wigs with other textures. ISEE Hair does seem to have some really great wig options. They definitely seem like a great competitor to some of my favorite wig companies. This is only my second wig from ISEE Hair, so if you all are interested in seeing more wigs featured on this channel from ISEE Hair, let me know down in the comment section below. If you've been looking for that everyday wig that gives silk press but like make it effortless, then this is definitely it. It's beginner friendly, it's heat safe, and it moves like real hair because it is real hair. So whether you're running errands or heading to brunch, this unit gives sleek, grown woman energy every time. And the best part is that it's under $80 right now on Amazon, and that's rare for real human hair, especially with this quality. So if you've been debating, I wouldn't wait too long because Amazon prices do not stay the same. This wig is available on Amazon, like I mentioned. If you're interested, I will leave the direct link down in the description box below, along with all of the other juicy details. And if you enjoy this type of content, like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comment section whether or not you think this wig is worth trying. Thank you, stay gorgeous, and I'll see you in the next video.